this video, we want to review some of the changes we've made to how the system communicates internally about permit applications and inspection requests, as well as some of the new features we've implemented that give you the ability to send these same alerts to people who are outside of the system, namely your customers or other interested parties on specific permits. So to begin on the home page, you'll see now that the permit alerts will default to come through the internal messaging system. They'll still have the same look that we have from the external emails. You can see when you've applied and when permits have been approved. Same thing with inspection requests. They will all show up here. You can still receive these alerts externally in your email, but you just need to go make a couple changes to your account. So we'll go to that page now, click on the My Account page, either the link or the button, and you'll see we'll just take you to the Preferences tab. So once you're on your account page, simply click on the Preferences tab. Once on the Preferences tab, you can select to have these internal messages sent to your external email address, or the email address that is associated with your general info. So that will be done here. If you still want to receive external emails, select Send Email Copies, and then click Save. If you want to receive email alerts on all permits that are pulled in the system for the company, you want to check this message subscription box that you want to be copied on all permit messages. Right now, the way it's set up is only the master account gets copied on every permit and inspection request. If you're a user who wants to receive all of these messages, then you want to come back here to this Message Subscriptions tab, click this box, and click on the Save button. From now on, when you apply for permits, you're going to have the option to include external parties for inspection or even permit application email alerts. So we're going to pull a new permit. And on the project information page, all the way down at the bottom, you can add additional contacts. So maybe you want to include the owner. And you have an option of what type of alert you want to send them. You can send them email permit updates, meaning they will get an email alert when you apply for the permit and when the permit's approved. Now, please note the dollar amount that you've paid for the permit will also be included in this email that is sent to them. It's going to be the same one that you receive. So you may or may not want to include them on these, but we figured we'd give you the option. You can select to include them on all email inspection updates. So whenever you've requested an inspection and when one has been passed or failed, they will be alerted as well, or all. So it'll be everything here. This again, it will include the permit application as well as inspection requests. So maybe we just want to include this person on inspection updates, and then we can continue to add contacts as you go. So maybe you want to include the general contractor, and maybe you want to send the general all the updates. So you can add as many as you want. If you make a mistake, you can change it here or delete it. One last one. These contacts will be included in the permit alerts that you've selected for them. So as you can see, we'll go here. Once permits are open, you can also make changes to the list of contacts that you've created in case you maybe entered somebody that you didn't want to have in here, or if you needed to make a change on an email, maybe something got entered wrong, or if you want to change the updates that someone is receiving. So you can make all the changes or add somebody additional, or delete, and then save. Hopefully this is a convenience for you to be able to enhance communications with your customers. Thank you so much.